take a look in installing the prerequisites. We expect you have an IBM cloud account and you have a running OpenShift cluster on IBM Cloud. To be as fast as possible with the setup on a local PC, we provide a pre-built image with the CLI tools and development tools needed in this workshop. That leads to the prerequisite: everyone has to install Docker Desktop on his local PC. With that, we have three different options. You can download the project and use the code with the pre-built image on your local PC. You can download the code inside the Docker image and use it from there. And you can install everything by yourself on Mac or Linux if you want. Now I will follow step 1 and just clone the GitHub project on my local PC. I execute the given commands inside the terminal to download the GitHub project, setting the right directory, doing the initialization for a local variable of our current path, start the Docker image with the provided CLIs in the terminal interactive mode on my local computer. Inside the image, I go to the shared directory, which is mapped directly from my local image. This does not work for Windows in case if you do not have enabled sharing on your Windows machine. Let us verify the file sharing works and take a look into the folders. In the next step, we verify that we can access OpenShift from the local image. Therefore, we need to access our OpenShift cluster on IBM Cloud, and we open up the OpenShift web console. Let us go back to the documentation, and here we see we have to copy the login command we have to insert into our terminal. When we have copied and executed this command in our terminal, we ensure that we can access the OpenShift cluster and the CLI works. Now we verify that we get the cluster information with the OC command. We check, are there any stream tags currently on our cluster? No, that works as expected. Now we verify with the kubectl command get pods that we can access the OpenShift cluster with the kubectl command, and we see we can do that, so our prerequisites are done. From now we can move on to the labs and execute the labs. Thanks.